Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, this is what was happening in Middelburg yesterday. This is Middelburg. All these people you are seeing here are illegally in the country. Police working together with the community in March and March. Benze umsebenzi omkhulu. They did a great job. As you can see, this guy with the dreadlocks is a Nigerian powder seller who was arrested. The community took the police to show them, to point these places out, to show them that this flat, there is a powder seller, this flat, there is a kidnapper, this flat, they were showing them everything because these people are destroying their children. Their children are telling them where they are buying powder from. So when the community, when the March and March was there, decided to come together with the community, even parents of those kids, ababema, iwunga, inyaupe, powder, and all these things. So now they are inside the flat of a powder seller. He is denying. He is saying he is not selling powder. Let's listen to them, guys.
Whoa,
So as you can see, he is taking out izinto ezifunekayo, izinto anazo endlini, but he is refusing to take out powder, to show them powder. But it shows ukuthi the money inside the box is the money ayithola kuma-customer uma ethengisa powder. Look at it. Look at the money. Look at the money. How can someone, a businessman, keep this huge amount of money inside the house? What is it for? I'm at 20 rand, 10 rands, 50 rands, and we are born available to a powder. You don't need to be told ukuthi imali ethengisa something. Why did he keep a huge sum of money inside the house? Yini egcine imali eningi kangaka endlini?
take it to the bank. Okay. Yeah, why do you have so much money? I take it to the bank. Oh, no, it's not. It's for drugs. When the money? I don't do drugs. Come now. Me? I don't do drugs.
If they say you are selling powder, to me, these are the same people we are told they came to invest in this country. This is the investment to destroy our children. This is the investment to hijack amabhilidi. Ukwenza zonke lezi zinto abazenza to be illegal. They are running businesses. They are called businessmen, but they don't have papers themselves to be here in this country. These are businessmen of Maimane, Malema, Thabo Mbeki, and others. This is what they are contributing to this country. Selling powder, destroying the youth, destroying small children, keeping our children inside their brothels, forcing them to make money for them to enrich them. Which country can allow this? Which country in this world can allow this to happen to their citizens? Only South African leaders are allowing this to happen, including the president is allowing all these things to happen to his own citizens. He doesn't care about the future of the youth.
Not so bad. Hey, I'm taking some drugs selection. Taking some drugs selection. You know you are. Ubizo moshi Middelburg. Okay, guys. Thina sifuna amatshoto wakho sisebenza ngale nto zakho. Ngizakubona kusasa wena. Wena utholakale namaphilisi. lawa amakhulu ama-RLV agcwele Mister, bekine khethi la nayi check nayi powder. Le bag le mele it belong to something. Mele belong. Yalo chulena, yalo mama le la. Mele belong sabo ina mathulela.
These people are taking our medication benze ngawo amaphilisi azobulala abantwana bethu. This is what is happening in this country. They are allowing them to trade in this country. They are allowing them to even cook all these things they are selling to our children. There's a shortage of medication in this country, but our government is telling us to no, allow these people. These people, they are taking this medication back to their countries. These people are taking the medication from our clinics, from our hospitals, to cook these things they are selling to our children. And we are expected to keep quiet, to fold our hands and say, no, these are Africans. These are our fellow brothers and sisters. No, it's not possible. It's not possible at all. The community must work. I love what these police in Middleburg are doing, working together with the community to fish out all these people who are destroying our country.
Take your back. Take your back. And go. This is your life. Yeah, mama, you can't even know my number. You say one no one, and okay, no one. Yeah, man, to be young. How far will come in here? No, come on the back one out. That's mama. How was I mama? Yeah, I'm about to bet. Let me get some fast. Yeah, mama, yeah, go to He's solving his all. Most of the dropping no apart. Most of the dropping. That's why to break. You know, there are full I don't know the whole
Police working together with the community, it's a very good thing. Esibonayo. Labo nje indaba yabo vele asingeni sizoqhubeka sisebenze ngoba vela yikho into eyenziwa amaphoyisa ewodwa. We have to work together with the police as a community. You see, in this flat, the community told the police ukuthi there is something that is happening in this flat. No, mama, ladies who are having children, many children, all of them are having children. And it's very suspicious that something fish is happening in this building because remember in Nigeria they have this business yokuthi kuthiwa ifactory yokwenza iy'ngane. Those children abayithengisayo to other countries or beyayishushumbisa. So the community is asking them, where are the fathers of these children? And the police must do their job to find out who are the parents of these children. If these children belong to these ladies, where are the fathers of those children? Why are they all in one place? Why are they staying in one building, in one unity, all of them? There's something going on in that building. Police must find out what is going on there. You can't tell me what mothers, more than 20 mothers, they are having babies in one flat, together in one unit. No, it doesn't look like that. Akudlalwa kwamanye ama-province, guys, akudlalwa. There's no time to play in other provinces. You see this guy, obeke izandla ekhanda. This is the same guy obengafuna ukuvula iflat ethi yena angeke ezevule. He will never open his flat until they call Sergeant Gianni to come. Asazi ukuthi yena ihlanganise no Sergeant Gianni, Sergeant or constable. That is what he said. He said no one will enter his flat until Sergeant Gianni arrives. So asazi ukuthi what's going on between him and Sergeant Gianni. So guys, kiyona mihlola eribonang mo South Africa ene parliament wa rona le yena hana taba o re fela arishwa hana taba yena is not affected by anything. So rona, we are on our own. I'll try, guys. I'm learning some other languages and ndiyathetha kancinci. Sesithethe apha na aphayana, semixe Sesotho, siZulu, siVenda, siXhosa. But Venda ke I don't wanna lie, ake batle ho bua maka ka siVenda sithata. So nje I will keep on trying to learn. I don't know, I'm mixing Setswana le Sesotho because to me, vele into A1. So sometimes it becomes difficult for now understand gore ke Sesotho kapa ke Setswana, ke a mixa. So please don't blame me for that because I'm still learning. But Sivenda, I don't know because Sivenda sithapha. IsiXhosa ndizawuthetha phana phayana, but niyazi ke ukuba andingomXhosa ndingumZulu. I'll be just trying to learn and trying to accommodate everyone. I have to be able to say abasipile instead of saying abahambe. I have to be able to say abatsamaye instead of saying abahambe. You know, all those things. Ngithi abahambe, ngithi amagweja instead of saying amagwerekwere, uyabona? Kumele ngi-understand yonke into because we are one. So we have to learn, kufanele sifunde zonke iy'limi ukuze mangisuka la nge-Eastern Cape ngifike ngithethe isiXhosa. I know they understand isiZulu, but nje ukukhombisa ukuthi especially thina amaZulu vele bathi siyabantu abangafuni ukufunda ezinye iy'limi. So nje guys, sizozama ukufunda nokuhlangana. Asifundise nje ukufundisana nokuhlangana, asifundise ama-cultures ethu, singavumeli abantu bezosifikela ngama-cultures esingawazi ezweni lethu. Thina we have to learn each other's cultures. UmXhosa owakithi i-culture yamaXhosa i-culture yethu nathi. Kuhlukana la nalaphaya. I-culture yomVenda i-culture yethu nathi. Kungahlukana ama-traditional attires and all this, but everything, I will not say it's a strange culture. I-culture yompedi or it's a strange culture, i-culture yomTswana wase-South Africa. No, those things are not, because we grow up together, we know all those things. So there's no need for us to like senze sengathi manje asazani ngoba sekukhona labantu bangaphandle. Le division edalwa ama-politician futhi nakhona ukuthi kungafocuswa ezintweni okuyizona okumele ukuthi sifocuse kuzona. So guys, yizo-ke izinto ebezenzeka eMiddelburg lezi. I wish ukuthi all provinces, all towns, villages, townships singenza the same thing, ukuthi silwele izwe lethu, sithi no powder in our community, no illegal spaza shops ezingarejistanga ey'bulala iy'ngane, no anything that is not from South Africa around us that is illegal. We don't have a problem with legal things, legal people in our country, but we cannot allow illegal activities and illegal people to invade our communities. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.